Hey guys, the studio's kind of come under new management, as you might be able to tell. Oh god. Oh, his pincy little fingers. They hurt. We still have a Kickstarter going on. If you could just, they kind of ate the couch, so I'm kind of doing the whole, squats thing. So I'm gonna need a new, literally. I am grateful to you, my new Insectian overlords. If you, money that you in the Kickstarter with the album Train Intentional Wreck. No, yes, I am grateful. I am grateful that you're cleansing the planet of the horrible scourge of humanity. Please don't need any more of my children.